Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this colorful sunset cut crease. If you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching.
You ain't the one for me, you ain't got shit I need. Want me to take my time with you, maybe I'm not your speed, maybe I'm not your league. You ain't even got no cheese, maybe I'm just too G for you, maybe I'm just too street. I can even roll in peace, everybody.
I'm starting by priming my eyelids with the P. Louis base in the color Rumor 02, I believe that one is. And I'm using the Morphe Brushes 39A palette, taking that burgundy shade and blending it a little over my eyelids. I'm at over my crease. I'm just packing that on until it says vibrant as I want it to be. Then taking the rest of the product and blending out the harsh line. To make that transition a little smoother, I am taking that orange shade from the Neon Obsessions, the orange palette, and just taking that and blending it over my crease. Also using that lime green as a transition color. I was better off using the yellow because it's like the colors are so close together it didn't look lime green on camera. Using the pencil brush, I'm going to take that darker burgundy color and blend it right into my crease. Using the flat brush, I'm going to use the P. Louis base in Rumor 02 to cut my crease. This is not the look I was going for. I didn't like it till after the fact when I was taking my pictures and videos. Keep packing the shadows on to your desired color. This is by far the best eyeliner I have ever used. In the past I have used the NYC eyeliner, but it got discontinued. Then I moved to the Inglot, but it was kind of messy for me. So this is by far my favorite, and it's only $14. Now using the NYX Jumbo Milk Pencil in my waterline and apply my lashes, and those lashes are from Envious Beauty. I will leave the link to everything in the description box down below. This lip gloss is also from Envious Beauty. Don't forget to subscribe to my new Instagram since the other one got deleted. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.